everybody. Today we are going to be talking about the number line. We did our presentation focusing on first grade. My name is Leidy.
I'm Destinee Williams.
And I'm Kaylah Wright-Soler.
So, hi class. Today we will be working on the number line. So what is a number line? A number line is a horizontal line that has numbers on it, as you can see here. I have from 0 to 10, and these numbers will determine the different equations that we will use. For example, you could use it for plotting points. So the arrows on the number line, as you can see here and here, they are indicators of where the numbers will be continuing. As you can see on the example, we have positive numbers and we have negative numbers. And the 0 is called the origin. Number lines can also be used for addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication equations. And you will also learn about how they could be used for negative numbers. So what kind of math is it used for? As I mentioned before, it could be for addition, but also for decimals and fractions to find them on the number line. This means that it's just comparing how big the numbers are on the number line, and where they go from left are smaller and to the right they are bigger, as you can see here in our example.
Okay, so now we're going to jump into what kind of math it is used to teach. On our slide, we have absolute value, but today we're going to use it for addition. Okay, we're going to use it to get the sum of two numbers and what they equal. On our next slide, we're going to go into how does it help students to access math content. Well, today, like Leidy said, we're going to use our number lines that we've made on our own, and you can make these at home with a piece of paper, a Sharpie, and a pen to represent the numbers you have on the number line. And we're going to use them to see how many numbers it takes. Oh, and a paper clip so we can move it across. But we're going to use them to see how many numbers it takes us to get from one number to another number. Okay, so right now I just went from 1 to 5, and we're going to use that today when we do it to represent addition. Okay, we're going to show you 3 models of what it looks like at each phase. We have concrete, semi-concrete, and abstract. For our concrete phase, it's going to be an actual hands-on experience. And we're going to use our cards, our index cards with our number line on them, and we're going to use a plastic bag. We're going to drop them into the plastic bag, and we're going to use our paper clip to move it along the plastic bag to model for our concrete. For our semi-concrete, we're going to create our own visual representation of how to use the number line. And for our abstract model, we're going to do a few equations on our own. For our concrete, we're going to for our abstract, we're going to do the number line song.
Learning upgrade. A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Ends at the end.
As we move to the right,
Right.
the numbers get larger As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Let's plot the point 4 on the number line. Draw a dot at the tick mark with the number 4 below. What is the value of point B? Look at the number below. The value is 2, which is greater, point A or point B. Point A is to the right of point B, so point A is greater than point B. Number lines.
Okay, what a fun song. All right, so like Destiny had introduced, we are going to be making our own number lines. And a fun way to do this is by using paper in a Ziploc bag. So in order to do this together, we are going to be writing our number line, and this is how it's going to look. So first, what we're going to do is we are going to draw a line across the top of our paper or our Ziploc bag. I have a paper inside my bag, and it's a paper inside so that I can see what I'm drawing. And so with my line, what I'm going to do is I am going to number it. I'm going to start with the number 0 because as we saw, 0 is our center point. So I start with 0 and we're going to build up to the number 10. Count with me. How do we count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So your number line might look like mine. It might be a little spaced out, but that's okay as long as you have numbers 0 to 10. And so with our number line, what I want you to do is with that paper clip or whatever you use to mark your numbers, like Destinee said, I am going to end up using a paper clip like this or a clothespin. And what I'm going to do is I am going to find each number on the number line that I ask. Okay, so I would like for you to start with your pin on 0. Go ahead and do that for me right now. Awesome. I see I have great listeners in my class. All right, what I want you to do is move your pin and find the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Is your pin on 4?
Yes.
Great job. Good listeners. Okay, next, I want you to find the number 7. I'm going to go ahead and move from 4. 1, 2, 3 more spaces to find the number 7. Good. We're going to jump around again. Ready? Please find the number 5. I'm going to have to move my pin backwards 2 spaces to find the number 5. Last time, and then we're going to move on, okay? I want you to find the number 9. Find the number 9. So I'm going to end up moving my pin 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, to find the number 9. Did you do that too?
Yes.
Great job. Great job, students. Okay, so use this number line to help you in working on math problems, okay? Let's go ahead and move on. We're going to look at our semi-concrete activity, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. here I clicked on the link and I have this number line. So I have a number line from 0 all the way up until whatever number I want it to be. But for now, we're going to work on 0 to 10. Right now, it only shows 9, and that's okay. So what I want to do is we're going to work on addition. So let's start with 1 plus 2 equals. So what I want you to do is find the number 1, because 1 is the first part of our problem. You find 1?
I found it.
Awesome. I love that you're using your own number lines. Good. Found the number 1. Your pin's on it. I'm going to circle mine. Now it says plus 2, which means we're going to have to jump 2 spaces on the number line. Are you ready? Jump with me. I'm going to put my pin on number 1 and I'm going to jump 2 spaces. Ready? 1, 2. What number did you end up on?
3.
3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's try a new one. Let's try 2 plus 4. Oh, we're getting kind of crazy here. So 2 is our first number in our equation. So let's find the number 2 on our number line. Go ahead and put your pin on it. I'm going to circle it. Awesome. I see we have put our pin on 2. Now we're going to jump how many spaces?
4.
4. Good. So take your pin, jump 4 spaces. I'm going to jump from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did you land on?
6.
6. Great job. Let's try one more together, okay? This time, I'm going to go ahead and start the equation, and I want you to try it on your own before I help you, okay? Let's try 3 plus. Let's try 3 plus 3. Let's do that one. This one's going to be fun. So try it on your own. Where's your pin going to start at?
3.
Awesome. What's our next step?
3 places to the right.
We're going to jump 3 places to the right because that's what it's asking for. 3 plus 3 more. So we're going to jump. Tell me how many places you've jumped and what number you landed on.
6.
6. Awesome. So I'm going to try it on my own. Starting on 3, I'm going to jump 3. 1, 2, 3. We got the same number. Awesome job. Kiss your brains. Beautiful. Great job. Okay, now let's move on. So we're going to look at our abstract activity, okay? So we're going to try these, but without a number line. So you remember how we jumped. Now I want you to use your brain and try it without a number line. So try doing 2 plus 3 and let me know what you get. Take a moment. Try 2 plus 3 on your own. Okay, go ahead with your fingers. Tell me what number you got.
5.
Awesome. 5 is the correct answer. Great job. Let's do 3 plus 4. Try that on your own. Maybe picture your own number line in your brain. Show me with your fingers what number you get. Awesome. Did you get 7?
Yes.
Perfect. Try 6 plus 3. Oh, we're getting bigger here. Showing me with your fingers. Awesome. Did you get 9?
Yes.
Great job. And last one, try 5 plus 3. Remember to picture your number line if you need to. Okay, show me with your fingers. What is 5 plus 3? Great job, first graders. I see the answer is 8. Awesome job. Okay, so we're going to jump to our last activity. We are going to do a Jamboard, and I know you love Jamboard. So let's read the directions together. On the Jamboard, using the number line given to you as a guide, please create your own response showing your work with your own number line. Remember to put your name on your work so we know whose work it was. So let's take a look at that Jamboard right now. Awesome. So when you open up Jamboard, you're going to see a number line on the first slide, and that's just to help you. And in order to grow, we're going to build on bigger numbers. So instead of 0 to 10, we're expanding our number line to 20, so we can do bigger math, okay? So these are your problems that you need to work on. When you are ready to do your responses, you're going to jump to the next frame, page 2 out of 3. This is an example done by Destinee on how to show our work for our problems. So this is an example. We're going to take any addition equation from page 1, one of these, and using our number line that you've drawn, like Destinee has, you are going to show your work. So Destinee said, I use the equation 10 plus 10 equals 20. So she started on 10 and jumped 10 spaces all the way to 20. Awesome. Now, this frame 3 out of 3 is where you can do your own work. If you need more space, you can add more pages if needed, but make sure to put your name on your work so we know who did it, and show your work too so we know you understand how to use a number line. I hope that is clear. Make sure you leave a response on our presentation using this form. The link is right there. It's going to be available for all of you to leave a response. Okay? Awesome. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.